Okay, so here we are again, a new day, a new fixing, hopefully a new project, why not? You see, I have a few sets of Bluetooth headphones. You know, they are very useful in the night, you know, when don't want to disturb anyone with a loud TV sound or something like this. Anyway, the point is that one of these headphones, I think that's the one, lost the sound. So now what I'm trying to do is to open it up and to see something electronical or something related to mechanical. I believe we have to take this apart. Oh yeah, very simple. Well, so far it's looking good. But what is this here? That's a magnet. So probably instead of having a magnet here, this one will provide the magnetic field. You know, this is very funny. Let's take a look closer. So this is the, okay, lights on. This is the headphone. I can feel it, it's magnetic. And what's funny, here we have an extra magnet. For what? Yeah, that's a magnet. You see this guy here, it's a kind of touch, this one. Connecting and disconnecting the battery and stuff like that. What is here? The battery, it's like maybe 10 milliamps. So far, it's looking like this one, it's okay. Let's have a measurement. Yeah. The headphones are okay, and we have like 32 ohms. Okay, this is one, and let me check the other guy here. Okay, so that's the problem. This one have a broken wire. I think I have the problem. Okay, but what I'm trying to do now is to see if I can replace the headphones, the elements. Oh yes, very easy. This one is not even in the right positioning here. I'll try to see if I can fit this elements or headphone cells. Obviously this is not an Apple, but the sound is much better on this guy. Wow, way too big. No, I got no chance to fit that inside there. No way. Let me check if the headphone is still alive. You know, my intrigue is about that little magnet there. What's the use of that? 032. Okay. What else I have to say about this, guys? That the battery, it's low. I mean, I can have around 2 hours of sound. Alright, so I have these guys here. The sound is better with these ones. Let's see, can I open it? Yeah. Oh, I'm afraid it's exactly the same headphones. Very clear. Qilink, and the same story with a little magnet here. What's the use of that? Can you tell me? All I can see here, it's a battery with some other numbers which are saying, well, I can't see exactly what is this about. Nothing about capacity. Well, nothing. The problem with this headphones is that reception is way lower than this guy here. Well, I'll try to replace the batteries. Okay? Let me see. Let me try to open this up. No. Okay, so we'll change the batteries. What we got here? 401, 409. But you know something? That should be really interesting. Ah, yeah, it's something working there. Maybe I can fit 2 batteries inside, huh? No, not enough place. Okay, but you know, as long as we are here, we can give a quick test to this little battery. These headphones, the one with the problem, they are KK TWS 01MX. So these are, let's say, KK, and the other guys here are Qilink. Alright, and we also have to make a plus, so this is plus, and this is probably plus, of course, plus. Oh, let's have a quick test about the capacity of these little guys. The voltage is pretty okay. You saw that it's 4.1 volts. Pretty good. So I suppose these guys are like 50 milliamps. Let me have my charge soon. Okay, plus and minus. Here we are. Let me check the internal resistance first. 1738 milliohms. Oh my god. Cycle, 2 cycles will be enough. I have to check for the currents here. Charge with, here we have 50 milliamps. It's charging with 50 milliamps. Discharge, same story. Yeah, we have a 40 milliamps discharge. And let's cycle these guys. Discharge and charge. Okay. Okay, so 2 cycles of charging, discharging has been done. Let's see the results. So I found finally this kind of little elements should have 40 milliamps. Look here. 10 milliamps, 15, 14 and 12. So I can say this little guy here, which came from Qilink Bluetooth headphones, are like 15 milliamps, so it's around third of the capacity. Let's have this guy now. So this is the KK element here. Let's have the internal resistance first. A little better, 1046 milliohms. A little better, okay. Let's start measuring. Okay, so this is finished too. That's the battery from KK. This one was from Qilink or something anyway. So this one looks a little bit better. If we take it the other way, 20 milliamps. So yeah, it's like half of the capacity. You know, I've been searching all around the town, nothing to do for now, no replacement in any shop. All I can do is to put the things back together the way they are. But at least I know what I'm talking about and I'll know what to search about. Okay, let me have these guys back. Yeah, it's working. I can see the blue LED flashing. We are okay with this on. And let me have this wire back here. That was the problem from the beginning, in fact. Yeah, okay. Something wrong with the electronics? No, we're good. Come on, cool down. Oh, that's okay. But I'm not sure if I have the right polarity here. So let me open the other guy. Oh, here I can see it better. Yeah, that's right. So this model is 501012. Let me write this down. 501012, 50 milliamps hour. Okay, Now I know what to order. And on the left we have plus. No, we have the black one. That will be no short anymore. All right, we have I just saw a blinking LED, so now it's working. Yes, blinking LED, everything is fine here. I don't want to check that anymore. So, okay people, that's it for today. If you are looking for a replacement cell, try to find this 501012 cells, 50 milliamps. As soon as I'm gonna have some, I'll let you know and we'll do some further tests. If you think this is useful, please subscribe, please like, and of course I'm waiting your comments. Until the next time, be creative and have fun. Bye bye.